Right, come on.
Okay. I'm Andrew. I'm going to let Jordan shoot me with the airsoft gun.
It's a little far. Get a little closer.
No, you're fine. Alright, ready? Go.
Yeah, it's dead. I'm about to get gang raped by Edward. Wait, no. Jordan and Adrian. Fuck you.
I'll tell you when to go. Ready, 1, 2, 3. Put your head down. You can run around.
I'm out of batteries.
You're out of battery.
Yeah.
Never mind.
Oh, dude. Jesus
He
Christ,
fucked your shit up. Yeah. What the fuck?
Oh!
Yeah.
Oh!
Hold the shot.
Oh, dude, stop beating me in the neck.
The fuck up. Damn it, I can't freaking. There we go. That's the damn screen.